Wow. We've got cheese, we've got chili, we've got Worcester sauce, there aren't many burgers around the world that could be summed up with just one name. This is a RAMLY, okay? A bit like a Big Mac. How many other burgers around the world have their own sort of singular name that describe the burger? So today I'm on a hunt for a RAMLY burger here in Kuala Lumpur. We're just near, not far from Petaling Street. Now I haven't had a proper RAMLY burger here in Kuala Lumpur yet. I've had one, but it wasn't good, and I found out later on it wasn't a RAMLY burger. So we're on a hunt for a really good RAMLY burger today. I'm on, where are we? I'm completely lost. We're near to Bun Chun and Warung Old China. So some of you will know better where I should head for a RAMLY burger. Michelle's with me. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi. The street names there.
Is that a rat? There's a lot of street rats here in Kuala Lumpur, I can tell you that. So yeah, I've yet to find, although we've been outside the city centre for a few weeks now, but I've yet to find a good place or anywhere that anyone can recommend me a good RAMLY burger. So we're going to walk between here, Petaling Street. This is the end of Petaling Street here, you can see. Is that Petaling Street, Michelle? I'm saying it is, I'm not 100% sure. You see the Chinatown sort of, let me get out on the road a little bit so you can see. Way. Yeah, so this is Petaling. Now this place is kind of cool, but in the evening times, it's just selling junk really. Loads of people selling hats and belts and knockoff t-shirts. But in the morning time, it's a really good place to come for food. So we'll do that another day. In the meantime, we're going to be walking towards Bukit Bintang. And I don't think there's any good RAMLYs in that section there. We had a look around this morning when we arrived in the city centre. And you've got to be careful with RAMLYs because RAMLY burger is very specific. I mean, it's unusual to have a burger that's got its own sort of cult following in the history. So the original RAMLY burger was a guy, I think in the 70s, who made this really unusual hamburger or beef burger. And he's franchised it out, or at least he's franchised out the packaging and the patties. You've got to buy the particular RAMLY patties as far as I understand. Maybe somebody can elaborate in the comments. So you'll often find places selling burgers, but they're not necessarily RAMLY burgers. All the food along here. Ah, ikan, fish. We're not looking for fish today. Wow, there is so much food in this area. Oh, this guy's doing roti. This is what's inside here, this one? Egg. Ah, egg, yeah. But we're not having rotis today. Stay focused, Steve. We're looking for a RAMLY burger. So I've seen a few places where people said this guy here or this stall here does RAMLY burgers, and you get there and they're not actually RAMLY burgers, they're just burgers, but they're done in the RAMLY style. We want to have a proper pucker RAMLY burger. There's the bus station there, and there's actually, we saw a guy yesterday evening, oh there, over there, Burger John. You can't really see it, it's opposite the bus station. And he does burgers, but they're not really RAMLY burgers. There's a tourist, foreigner, cycling the wrong way up the street, oblivious to the traffic. You wouldn't be able to do that, would you? Not in Australia, you wouldn't. You'd be just going up here and you'd be getting fines. A lot of people are saying, why is Michelle not eating? Well, look, when we go out, we often share the food. Or like tonight, Michelle's probably going to have a chicken RAMLY. I'm probably going to have a beef. But you're not going to see Michelle eating because it's not something she wants to do on camera. Just accept it. It's the way it is. Now, if you've got a problem with that, you can check out Michelle's channel, but you'll have to find it. It's hard to find, but you can find it. I'm sure you will.
It's my hotel.
Michelle's hotel. Sometimes we stay in the same place though, don't we?
Sometimes.
I'm going for a cool down. It's warm, it's really muggy. We seem to have come a little bit outside the area we want to be in. Let's go in here, have a little 10-minute cool down. You can always rely on 7-Eleven for a bit of air conditioning and some respite. They probably do RAMLY burgers as well in here, but I'm not going to have a... Do they do RAMLY burgers? Let me go and ask the guy. No, he doesn't have RAMLY burgers. Okay, so we're having a... It's me, I'm the wuss that gets hot. I'm just too hot.
It's sticky today.
It's sticky and sweaty. So we're just going to have a... Pretend we're looking for something for about 10 or 15 minutes, cool down. Might even get a drink, but probably not. I probably want to get a drink when I stop. What is going on with this floor? That travel lodge there is at the end of the food street on Bukit Bintang, where Michelle and I have been before. Looking at the map, I think there's a good RAMLY store somewhere near here.
This one beef.
Beef.
This side. This one ayam.
Okay, so lembu is beef, ayam we know is chicken. So this place looks kind of cool. These guys are just opened as well. So this opens at 5 o'clock. It's called Burger Boss. This young man is going to make us a proper RAMLY burger. So he's actually got the little packets in there with RAMLY all set up. It's nice and clean. This place looks good, and we're right at the end of Food Street as well. And this guy's filming me. So this is, are you using a little butter?
Yeah, but something.
Yeah?
Little.
Butter? Yeah. Shall I have one double then? Yeah, no problem. Do a double.
Okay.
Okay. And what is this?
This is round black pepper sauce.
Oh yeah.
Brown, kindly brown sauce.
Yeah.
I always little put black pepper.
Ah, that's good. I like black pepper.
Black pepper sauce.
And you use this in the RAMLY burger?
This I cook.
Ah, okay. So they're using Worcester sauce, which is kind of cool. Liam Perrin's Worcestershire sauce, a lot of people would say. Ah, okay, so he's dropped my burger in there. Dropped it in the gravy. And this has black pepper inside, yeah? So on goes the Worcestershire sauce. Little spice. A lot of the places we've been to, and I've been a little bit sort of unsure, but I like the way these guys are keeping everything really clean. The whole place is really, really tidy. It's really caramelizing this burger, getting lots of color, and then he's going to drop the burger into this like pepper sauce. Okay, shall I lift it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, in it goes.
Okay.
Okay, we've lost the burger. It's gone. Gone. Ah, okay. Okay, so you flatten the egg out like a pancake almost. What is this, white pepper? Burgers are coming back out of the... Oh, wow, look at that. Black pepper sauce. And
Cheese.
then cheese, American style cheese.
Okay.
Cheesy sauce.
Cheesy sauce.
Cheesy sauce.
Ah,
Something.
okay.
Little.
Double cheese. Then on goes the second burger, doused in a black pepper sauce.
Double ready. You are ready?
Ready? Okay. Look at that. So it's enveloping, putting an envelope around the burger. That is cool. You know, I've been looking for a good RAMLY burger, and I think I found, firstly, the place is super clean. The guys are really nice. I want to say, what lovely guys, these two guys. He's come and he's asked me if we want a juice. Michelle, he's ordered some mango juices from over there. How nice is that? But not only do they know their stuff, they're just really nice guys. So I found actually a RAMLY stand here, really well central in Kuala Lumpur, that I can highly recommend. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you, bro. Wow. Look at that. So I've got this lovely fluffy burger. I've got 2 beef patties in there with all sorts of flavours. So what do we got in here? We've got cheese, we've got chilli, we've got Worcester sauce, we've got mayonnaise, we've got egg, we've got... Oh, how delicious is that? Oh, and of course, it's doused in the black pepper sauce. Man, are you as excited as I am? Let me just... I can feel this is going to be a messy burger. It's like a sloppy joe's almost. Here goes. Oh, yeah. Oh. Man, that's good. That is so delicious. So I've learnt a lot. We've learnt how to make a RAMLY burger, though you can't really make it unless you can get the RAMLY burgers from here in Malaysia. But man, that is good. I get the Worcester sauce. I get the pepper sauce, the cheese. A mammoth of a meal. But luckily I'm really hungry this evening. That is good. I mean, there aren't many burgers around the world that could be summed up with just one name. This is a RAMLY, okay? A bit like a Big Mac. How many other burgers around the world have their own sort of singular name that describe the burger? A beef burger or a chicken burger. I think they also do a lamb burger and wrapped around in an egg with all those combination of different flavours and sauces. Look at the state of me. I'm actually covered in sauce. It's all around my face. It's the sloppiest burger. With sloppy and messy comes flavour. Right, I'm going to leave her to get messy. Now the guys don't sell mango juice, but they went over the store just opposite over here and got me what is basically a pure mango juice, and it's delicious, really good.
It's very good.
Nice, Michelle. Not overly sweetened at all.
It was a good find.
It was a good find. Really, really pleased. So this is the end of the famous Bukit Bintang food street. So you come to the end of this street, and the guys are just here. And you know, I don't want to be over gushing on them, but they were more than I expected in kindness. The price was really reasonable. I think we paid about 15 ringgits for the 2 burgers and around about 15 ringgits for the mango juices as well. So superb. What time did we arrive there, Michelle?
5:30 maybe?
About 5:30. So they were ready, but we were their first customer. So a little early. I'd say if you want to arrive about that time, you're going to get a lot of attention because they'll only have just started. But I think by the time 6-7 o'clock comes along, and they're open till 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning.
3 a.m.
That's what we like, is they're just stumbling across things. I know we went out to look for a RAMLY burger, but we stumbled across it.
Yeah, and we saw 2 or 3 burger joints.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy looks happy. He's got his own little kitchen here. Man, nice place, sir. So we saw, I think, 3 places on the walk there, and we went past them. For one wasn't really RAMLY burger, the other ones weren't what we were looking for. So something drew us to that place. Anyway, back to the outro. If you want to come and get a RAMLY burger and you're afraid, of eating street food, look at the stall first. Look how clean and well kept this place is. It's perfect. Now we're at the end. I'll put the address down below because you'll need to know where it is. In the meantime, we're going to go. The storms are going to start coming in very shortly. Share the love. Share this video, and we'll see you next time. Take care.